Hello, it's Wayne Schwartz again for AEP 800 for my instructional technology tutorials. Um, this is the last video 5, and the last one I want to talk about is um, something for my geometry class or any kind of higher level math geometry teachers. It's focused toward teachers and student because both can use it, and it is called Prove It. And you know, one of the big subjects or topics in geometry is proofs, and students don't like them very much, especially the old way of doing them in pencil and paper. And so this is a really great online tool to use for practice because the students don't like proofs for one, and it causes a lot of headache. But here it's really nice, and I'll show you why. So my purpose was to kind of ease a little bit of the anxiety in students doing proofs in geometry. And you'll see here in a second when I do one and kind of demonstrate it. So there's a lot of IST standards here that I'm kind of going off. One of them is facilitating and inspiring learning creativity by using knowledge of subject matter and technology to facilitate experiences that advance learning and creativity and innovation. So this is good, especially for blended learning, but also just for practice, outside practice, and supplemental material. A lot of students always ask me about supplemental material. So this falls right in line with TPAC 1, IST 3B, 4C, and 5C. So without further ado, let's get into this. So a little bit of this website, my goals, like this, I'm teaching parallel lines right now. So we're getting into proofs, so students can look here, and very easily what they can do is statement, reason, proof. They can select which order that it should go. So they take this and they put it to where it should go. So they're checking this should be the first reason, the statement and the reason, which is nice. So then they go to the picture and says prove angle 1, angle 2. This is a really easy one, but some of them need that. They need, you know, the easy one. So if two lines are cut by a transversal, then corresponding here are congruent or equal in measure. So there you go. And then QED means you're done, obviously. So you're done. Success. So there's instant feedback, which is also excellent for students. Teachers and students can use this. Now, if you want to log in here and record it, you can. It is a free website. You can set up whatever you want on that. Okay, so here's one. You're given this angle 1 to angle 3, angle 4 to angle 6. So 1 to 3, 4 to 6, prove 2 to 5. So here's your statements and reasons, and you can go for it. I'm not going to actually do that one. Let's just go back to the site here. So the difficulties here, easy or hard, solved by however many. Let's do another one. And again, like I said, there are the levels of difficulty, but it gives students a lot of practice. Here's another parallel line one. Let's do a parallel lines this one. Okay, so parallel line K is parallel to line P. We have to prove that measure of angle 1 is measure of angle 3. So students kind of go in here, and usually you got your given statement. So we're going to put that as first. And then students can choose from a variety here. So it kind of eases the tension for students a little bit. So this is a great resource for practice. Could be also a blended learning where you can have them do this before they come to class, and then they can discuss however you want to do it. But it's really easy to navigate, and then students come up with it. So we can go, well, I can go here. Vertical angles are equal. Okay. Go here. Okay, I'm going to say corresponding here. And then my last statement, transitive. So then if you're done, QED, boom, success. So this is a really great tool because in our assessments too, we use this for practice tests as well. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope you got a lot out of it. I'll see you next time.